So here's what I'm working on. I got my folder here, and I'm about to start mixing up my concrete mixture. I'm using, oh, I should have been more prepared. So I'm using products from a company called Trinic. So here's my plasticizer. Basically, I am using glass fiber reinforced concrete, GFRC for short. And so you mix water, cement, sand, plasticizer, and admix. That's just what you do. I don't know. I know a little bit about what they do, but whatever. Here we go. So what I did this a long time ago, so I'm trying to remember. Oh yeah, I figured out the total cubic footage. So there's 3/4 times 28 times 45 plus 5% equals 0.58 cubic feet. I don't know how I got that, but there it is. So anyway, here's my mixture down here that I need. I'm doing, because I don't want the fibers to show, so what I'm doing is, here's the form. I'll be mixing up I'm mixing the whole batch. You put the fibers in last, so I'm going to mix the batch without the fibers, and I'm going to take a little bit of it out, and then mix the fibers in. Then I'll pour in the mixture with the fibers first, and then pour the bit that I took out over top so that it's nice and smooth, and hopefully you don't see any of the fibers. I've tried it once before, and you could still see a couple of fibers, but it wasn't too bad. So I'll make a few adjustments and do it again. Also, last time I did this, I ended up with like a thin powdery coating on top, and I'm not totally sure why. I'm thinking maybe I added too much water, so I'm going to do a little less water this time. So this is split up into two things. Whatever. Let's get to mixing. So I got to weigh out all my ingredients, then mix it all up, and then pour it. Let's do that. Alright, so it's a couple minutes, maybe like 10 or 15 minutes after I poured it, and it's already, let's see, I don't know how good of an angle. Here, I'm gonna get my hands on this mitts on it. So yeah, you can see already it's pretty stinking smooth, and it did that by itself, basically, self-consolidating, which is nice because I don't do concrete unless I'm in my garage doing concrete. Other than that, I don't. So I like this. There's another good one. It's got like those bubble looking things. Those are fibers that are pushing through. So I've done this. This is my third time doing this exact same thing, and I still screwed it up somehow. But this one is probably my best one so far. I think that's it. Now I'm going to cover it in plastic, and I'll see you in a week when I take it out of the mold. That'll be fun. Okay, bye.